Today our topic is Introduction to Biology, five foundations of biology areas of focus, characteristics of living things, the stake of life, what is science, scientific processes. Number one, Introduction to Biology. Biology is the study of life and living things. Biology focuses on the structure, function, growth, evolution, and distribution of living organisms. It includes the cellular basic of living things, the metabolic processes, the genetic basis for inheritance. Five foundations of biology. Number one, cell theory. The cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms are composed of cells. Number two, gene theory. Traits are inherited through gene transmission. Genes are located in chromosomes and consist of DNA. Thermodynamics. Energy is constant and energy transformation is not completely efficient. The ultimate source of energy is the sun. Some organisms, example plants, have the capacity to capture the sun's energy and it via photosynthesis. Organisms that cannot carry out photosynthesis must obtain nutrients from photosynthesizers. Number 4. Evolution. Any genetic change in a pollution is inherited over several generations. Genetic changes may be small or large, noticeable or not noticeable. Number 5. Homeostasis. Homeostasis. Organisms have the ability to maintain a constant internal environment and response to environmental changes. Biology. Areas of focus. Microbiology. The study of prokaryotic cell, bacteria, and viruses. Cell biology, the study of the structure and function of eukaryotic cell, focusing on animal and plant cells. Developmental biology, the study of how communities of cells form tissues and organs and how they build organisms. Anatomy and psychology, study of the structure and function of tissues and organs. Tissues and organs. Zoology and plant biology, study of organisms. Ecology, the study of how organisms interact with each other and with their environments. 5 characteristics of living things. Organisms. As our organisms lives, it maintains its organization by using different processes. Acquisition. Living things must acquire nutrients so that they can be used to build and maintain the structures of organism. A response. An organism responds to stimuli by moving. Reproduction. All living things are able to pass on their DNA. Adaptations. All living things are able to compete with each other for food and space to survive. The stake of life. Atom. Proton, neutron, electron. Hydrogen atom, helium atom. 1p hydrogen atom has 1p on 1e. Helium atom 2p 2n 2e. Molecules. Covalence bonding between hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen bonding between water molecules. You can read it. Number two, cells. Cell is the basic unit of living thing, tissue. When two or more cells combine each other, it makes a group of tissue. Organs. This is organs. Organisms. Population. Ecosystem. When the cells, atoms, population, organs, tissue are each other combined in one place, it makes ecosystems. What is science? Science is the foundation of facts, and it is a way of investigating the world in order to form general rules about why things happen the way they do. Pure science is the pursuit of knowledge for its own sake. Applied science is the search for practical uses of scientific knowledge. Scientific process. The steps of the scientific method make up an orderly way of gaining information about the biological world. The basic steps for any scientific method are studying the problem, collecting information through observation, forming a hypothesis, experimenting to test the hypothesis, recording and analyzing data, forming a conclusion. If the conclusion can be tested and confirmed repeatedly becomes a theory. Science is empirical. It relies on observation and experience. So you can define like me science. Science is the knowledge which is obtained through experiment and observation. It's called science.